Welcome back to Simple Sundays Cooking with Zion. Just want to take a little time to thank everybody once again. The Super Bowl tips, if anyone ever needs anything in the future for putting something together that they would like, just hit me up, leave me a message, and we can work something out. Also, I would like to make a couple of shout outs. First, I would like to thank Stephanie and Aaron for watching. Also, Rihanna. Rihanna, thank you for joining the party, so to speak. So next, I will get to my menu. Thank you. Today, we're going to be making braised pork belly sliders. We have untreated bacon, basically, and we're going to be slicing them into these huge 1-inch pieces of untreated bacon. I have my Dutch oven there warming up so that I can place these into the Dutch oven. Stovetop right now. So let me get the other piece, and since I'm here, we are in the month of February, so I would just like to give a little shout out to Black History Month and a person that I grew up learning about due to my family, my sister Sharon, to be exact, Sharon Darlene, rest in peace. Happened to find Harriet Tubman, a crusader back in the day of slavery, who was in a sense like Moses, because she ferried and helped plenty of slaves at the time to the north so that they become free people. So that's just something out there, food for thought. Harriet Tubman was a hero in our home growing up, thanks to my sister Sharon Darlene. She happened to really love her, like I'm telling you. And this is cornstarch, pure cornstarch seasoned with kosher salt. So it's cornstarch with kosher salt. So we take our chunks of pork belly, and we're going to just swim them around quickly in there, like a little Finding Nemo cartoon, just real quick. And then we're going to place these into our pot fat side down. So see the fatness here? Fat side down will be how we place them. We're just going to do this to all of them, drop them in there like this. So once the pork belly is braised, we remove it, put it separate, and we put in our vegetables: bell peppers, sliced nicely, carrots. I gotta talk fast because we have no budget. Producer says no talking, less talk. So here I go: onions, carrots, bell peppers, and not to forget my favorite, celery. Nice chop. We're gonna get all that together with all the leftover oil and taste of the pork belly, and we're gonna mix this around. It's gonna be absolutely wonderful. Ciao! Good. So I sweat my veggies. I'm using all the juice from the pork belly, so I'm deglazing the pot currently. I'm going to season a little bit of kosher salt in there. So I put a little kosher salt in there. Then I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon to that. You know, a couple, it's about what, 4? The size of cinnamon bottle. Then I'm getting to the nice thing that makes it romantic as it's February. This is a fine wine, red from, what is it, from the Basque in Spain, I believe so. And I'm 508 days currently sober, so this won't have any effect on me, because when I place it into the veggies, the alcohol content will evaporate. So we're just getting the flavor of the wine. And I'm going to use the whole bottle of wine. So I'll place it here and then bring it to a nice boil, or start the reduction process, and by that time the alcohol will be all out of the wine. So make it safe for us sober people to enjoy. Thank you. So this is what it looks like. I wish you guys can be here because it smells divine. If people who know me, I rarely eat pork, but let me tell you, this smells absolutely wonderful. Hour and a half. In that hour and a half, just want to share the time, I did my nails, picked up our dogs from the grooming loo. So we utilized our 1 hour and a half. And you don't want to overcook your pork belly because it'll fall apart. You want it put together, so when we put our sliders together, it fits well. And accompanied with our pork belly, I'm going to make a quick Napa cabbage to accompany our Hawaiian bun sliders. I just add a little bit of teriyaki, a little rice vinegar, not too much. You don't want to whoops, that was a little too much, so that should be good. You don't want to take the taste of the pork. Well, that came off, it was already off. A little bit of pepper. And a shot of kosher salt. I'm going to mix it really quickly with my hand. Okay, there we go. I'm going to add our pork there. See how it's still nice and together? Put that, and I've already placed some coarse mustard. It's whole grain mustard onto our bun. So we'll do this. Look how nice and beautiful that looks. Of course, if you want more pork to add to your little slider, you can add it. But this is how it would look. Should I do the balsamic? Yeah, on the top. Oh, let me get the cabbage first. So a little cabbage there, a little cabbage here, a little cabbage there. It doesn't matter how it looks. You can put it together when you set. And then this is a little bit of glazed balsamic, and just squeeze that up on the top, just like that. We get our top bun. Place it on there, and accompanied with kosher pickles. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a little dig. I'm going to taste this. Here I go. Oh my God. Happy Valentine's Day. Very simple, very delicious. This is the second one. Simple Sundays cooking with Zion. So stop chefing around. Any questions on this, you guys? Call me. Bomb. Thank you. But I put all the pork in there that we braised, and also I put in fresh, about 3 leaves of fresh thyme. Just dropped them in there with 3 leaves of dry bay leaf.